Hi there, and welcome to our homeschooling journey. Today I'll be reviewing Preschool Math at Home. We've been using this curriculum with our 3-year-old, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. I do want to begin by saying we are not affiliated with Preschool Math at Home in any way. I want to offer you my honest opinion of the curriculum to help you decide if it's worth investing in. Let's start with an overview of the curriculum. Kate Snow designed this curriculum for preschool, pre-K, or ages 3 to 4. It includes early math concepts such as language of math, words and written numerals, counting, recognizing quantities without counting, recognizing written numerals, comparing numbers, and beginning addition and subtraction. The curriculum is anywhere from $10 to $20 and can be purchased online. One of the strengths of this curriculum is its design so children can talk and play, not sit in a chair staring at worksheets. I love how it's written by a mom who majored in math and used these activities on her own children. Another strength is the clearly explained step-by-step activities that can be done with items around the house. This has been helpful for utilizing toys we own instead of spending additional money. I also appreciate each activity taking 5 to 10 minutes. This has made math easier to add to our day since we can do a quick lesson while my 1-year-old is occupied or napping. There is also a section at the end of each chapter where she gives a brief description of what your child should be able to do before moving on to the next chapter. There is one weakness to this curriculum. It mentions printing pages from the appendix for lessons. I found that if you don't find a clear copy online to print, you will have to make a photocopy yourself or recreate the pages by hand. Thank you for watching my review of Preschool Math at Home. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you've used this curriculum, I'd love to hear your thoughts as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more homeschooling content.